Most people think frugal living means being cheap, cutting every expense, saying no to fun, and buying the lowest priced items. But that's not true. Frugal living isn't about spending less, it's about spending smarter. Imagine two people. One earns $100,000 a year but spends most of it on things that don't add value to their life. The other earns $50,000 but saves and invests wisely, growing their wealth over time. Who do you think will be financially secure in the future? Frugal living is not about restriction, it's about power. It helps you take control of your money so you can live better, stress less, and build real wealth. In this video, we'll explore a modern take on frugality, using smart strategies and millionaire habits to live well today and grow richer for tomorrow. Let's get started. Number 1. The psychology of frugality. Why we get it all wrong. Many people think frugality means suffering, giving up nice things, never going out, or feeling guilty for spending money. But that's not true. Frugality is not about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the right things. So, why do people struggle with it? The answer lies in psychology. Our brains are wired to want instant rewards. That's why we often spend money on things that make us feel good right now, like eating out, shopping, or entertainment, without thinking about our future. A study on behavioral finance shows that most people overspend because they follow their emotions, not logic. Companies know this and use tricks like limited time offers, social media ads, and easy payment plans to make us buy without thinking. But here's the truth. Wealthy people practice frugality as a power move, not as a sacrifice. They understand that money is a tool. When used wisely, it grows and creates freedom. Take the frugal flexing trend. More millionaires are choosing to live simply, drive older cars, and avoid flashy spending. Not because they can't afford luxury, but because they value financial security and long-term wealth over temporary status. Frugality isn't about giving things up. It's about choosing wisely, spending with purpose, and building a future where money works for you, not the other way around. Number 2. The Smart Frugalist's Guide to Everyday Life. Living frugally doesn't mean cutting out all the joy from life. It means making smart financial choices that let you enjoy the things you love while still building wealth. The key is strategic frugality, spending on what truly matters and cutting what doesn't. One of the smartest ways to do this is by following the 80:20 spending rule. Instead of stressing over every little expense, focus on the biggest unnecessary costs and cut them first. Many people waste money on things they barely notice, like unused subscriptions, overpriced services, or impulse purchases. The unsubscription movement is growing in 2025, with more people canceling gym memberships, streaming services, and automatic renewals for things they don't really use. It's an easy way to free up money without feeling deprived. Technology has made frugal living easier than ever. AI-powered apps can track your spending, find better deals, and automate savings without effort. Smart price trackers help you buy things at the lowest cost, while budgeting apps like Inab and Monarch give real-time insights into where your money is going. Another powerful mindset shift is thinking in terms of cost per use instead of just looking at the price tag. A cheap pair of shoes that lasts a few months is actually more expensive over time than a quality pair that lasts years. Smart frugalists focus on value over price, investing in high-quality purchases that save money long-term. Frugality isn't just about cutting back. It's about spending with intention. When you align your spending with your values, you'll find that saving money feels effortless, not restrictive. By making a few smart changes, you can live well today while securing a wealthier tomorrow. Number 3. Frugality in the age of AI and digital disruption. Frugal living has never been easier, thanks to technology and artificial intelligence, AI. In the past, saving money meant cutting coupons, tracking expenses manually, and constantly searching for deals. But today, AI-powered tools can do the work for you, helping you spend less without even thinking about it. One of the biggest ways AI is changing frugality is through smart price tracking. Apps like Camel, Honey, and Capital One Shopping scan the internet to find the lowest prices, apply discount codes, and even notify you when a product's price drops. This means you never have to overpay again. Investing has also become easier with AI-powered financial apps. Platforms like Acorns and Wealthfront automatically invest your spare change, helping you grow wealth without extra effort. Many people think investing is only for the rich, but these apps make it simple for anyone to start with just a few dollars. Another trend is Digital detox frugality. Social media and online shopping encourage impulse buying, making people spend on things they don't need. More people are choosing to cut screen time to avoid unnecessary spending. Less time online means fewer ads, fewer temptations, and more mindful spending. Automation is also a secret tool of the wealthy. Many successful people automate their savings and investments, so money is put away before they even have a chance to spend it. By setting up automatic transfers, you can build wealth in the background without making daily decisions. Frugal living today isn't about working harder to save, it's about working smarter. With AI, automation, and mindful tech use, you can spend less, save more, and build wealth effortlessly. Number 4. The hidden frugal habits of millionaires. Most people think millionaires live in big mansions, drive luxury cars, and spend money without thinking. But the truth is, many wealthy people live frugally. They understand that keeping money is just as important as making money. Take Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. Despite being a billionaire, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. He also starts his mornings with a simple $3 breakfast from McDonald's. His habit shows that wealth isn't about flashy spending, it's about smart money choices. Another example is Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. He wears simple gray t-shirts every day. This isn't because he can't afford designer clothes, but because he believes in decision fatigue, saving his mental energy for more important things. Many CEOs do the same, choosing efficiency over excess. Even top business leaders like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos drive regular cars or buy used ones. They know that a car loses value the moment it leaves the dealership, so they avoid wasting money on expensive models unless necessary. The difference between the invisible rich and the fake wealthy is simple. Some people spend to look rich, while others save and invest to stay rich. True wealth comes from smart financial habits, not luxury purchases. Millionaires don't avoid spending altogether, but they spend wisely. They focus on investments, assets, and long-term financial security instead of short-term pleasure. That's the real secret to growing and keeping wealth. Number 5. Frugal travel and experiences without sacrificing luxury. Many people think traveling in style means spending a lot of money, but smart travelers know how to enjoy luxury without paying full price. The secret is travel hacking, smart planning, and choosing experiences that give the best value. One of the best ways to travel frugally is by using travel reward points. Many credit cards offer points for everyday purchases, which can be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, and upgrades. By using these rewards wisely, you can fly business class or stay in 5-star hotels without spending extra. Another trick is booking flights and hotels at the right time. AI-powered apps like Hopper and Google Flights analyze price trends and tell you the best time to book for the lowest fare. This simple step can save hundreds of dollars. Instead of short, expensive vacations, many people are trying slow travel. This means staying longer in a place where the cost of living is lower, like Thailand, Portugal, or Mexico. You get a richer experience while spending less. Luxury doesn't have to mean high costs. By choosing the right deals, using travel rewards, and planning smartly, you can enjoy amazing experiences without overspending. Traveling well is about knowing where to spend and where to save. Number 6. How to make frugality feel easy and rewarding. Frugal living doesn't have to feel like a sacrifice. In fact, it can be fun and rewarding when done the right way. The key is to make saving money feel like a game instead of a struggle. One way to do this is by setting small savings challenges. Many people try the no-spend challenge, where they stop buying non-essential items for a week or a month. Others do the cash-only challenge, where they use only cash to control spending. Turning saving into a challenge makes it exciting. Tracking progress also helps. When you see your savings grow, it becomes motivating instead of frustrating. Apps like InNab and PocketGuard help you see your wins and keep going. Frugality works best when you focus on what truly matters. When you cut wasteful spending, you free up money for the things you actually love. That's real financial freedom. Frugal living isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart with money. When you learn to spend wisely, cut waste, and focus on value, you gain more control over your financial future. The truth is, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, It's about how well you manage what you have. Many millionaires live frugally, not because they have to, but because they know money grows when used wisely. By making small changes, you can build real wealth over time. Frugality doesn't mean missing out on life. It means choosing what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. When you master frugal living, you don't just save money, you create freedom, security, and a better future. Small, smart choices now will lead to a wealthier tomorrow. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.